Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your California nurse license. So first head over to the BReEZe online services portal. If you don't have an account, just register by filling in your details and creating a user ID and password. So once you're logged in, select the Board of Registered Nursing from the drop-down menu and click on the Renew to start the process. And then you'll be asked some application questions, so make sure you answer them accurately. If you're renewing to active status, you'll need to have completed 30 contact hours of continuing education from a board approved provider. If you're a newly licensed RN, you're exempt from this for the first 2 years, but you still need to complete a 1 hour implicit bias training. Also, if your last fingerprint submission was before January 1st, 2014, you'll need to submit new fingerprints through the Department of Justice. Review your applications carefully, submit any required documents, and proceed to payment section. The renewal fee is $190. After everything's done, you'll get a confirmation and your license status will be updated. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.